Hello everyone. I am Pranita. I am one of the first graduates of Good Shepherd Schools, which is in Hyderabad. The reason why we came to Good Shepherd School is because we got quality education. The fees was very less. It was only 60 rupees per month. Wherein in outside schools it was 800, 900. I completed my schooling in the year 2009. Later on, I was able to give the entrance exam for medical school, and I was able to get an admission into doctor in pharmacy. And then organizations still backed me up, and they supported my education. They funded the complete education. Apart from my studies, there were other challenges which I faced in my university because I belong to one of the Dalit communities. I really had hard challenges, and every time it was like people used to point out, it was so clear. I and even my fellow beings and my classmates, we have faced discrimination. The only thing the Good Shepherd School taught us is Dalit people who are basically considered as unprivileged people, they first wiped out that stigma from our hearts. So when I was in school, they loaded me enough with the confidence and the power that I needed to face the world. But the caste system which was really taking place, that did not affect me because I was taught about my own worth. They used to teach me my value, not depending upon how people treat me. Finally, after 24 years of my struggle and circumstances, now people call me Dr. Pranita. I'm not proud about it. I'm proud because of the people who made it happen. I'm really thankful. Without your support, I wouldn't have been a doctor, but I finally made it. And now, for the past 2 months, I'm working with Good Shepherd OM India Ministries, the same organization. I am here for some period of time because I really want to help my community. I personally would like to thank Good Shepherd OM India Ministries and especially the Dalit Freedom Network, which is fighting for girls and people like me. And I really thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for being able to help and support many students and girls especially like me. And I really want to thank you for helping especially the women in India who were being trafficked from many years. I have just saw only one phase in my life. I only didn't get good education, but there were girls who were suffering in many areas. Thank you so much for helping them rescue from the physical abuse, which is very sad and hard part. Thank you so much for being able to look to people like that and helping them. This really means a lot to me, especially because I being a girl, I being a woman, I being getting good education, I know how it feels like when somebody abuses me just verbally. And I just can't imagine how girls for years they were behind the doors going through physical abuse. I really thank for working with Dalit groups in India. I really thank for supporting thousands of students, thousands of lives across my country. And we owe our lives and we owe our gratitude for all you have done. And may God bless you all so much more and more, 30-fold, 60-fold, and 100-fold, so that you will bring more revival in our country and especially more freedom for girls and more freedom for our community in this country. Thank you so much.